Hi everyone, my name is Lena Nguyen. I'm a family law attorney. Today we're going to talk about the different parts of a Texas divorce decree. So first off, what is a divorce decree? Well, it's a piece of paper or a whole bunch of papers that is a final court order and it officially ends the marriage. So regardless of whether your divorce was resolved through negotiation, mediation, arbitration, or a trial, a divorce decree is necessary to sum up all the rights and duties of the parties in connection with the divorce. It's signed by the couple and the judge, and it is filed with the court. In Texas, 61 days must have passed before a divorce decree can be filed with the court. The following are 10 sections that are usually included in a Texas divorce decree. Keep in mind, the more complex the divorce, the more sections and clauses a decree will have. Number 1, identification of the couple. This section will include the full name of both spouses and their respective attorneys, if any. Number 2, jurisdiction. This section states the court has the power to hear your case and grant you a divorce. So you must file your petition or complaint in the appropriate court. That is, the court must have jurisdiction over your case. Jurisdiction is determined by residency at the time of filing for divorce. So in Texas, you can file for divorce in the county you live in as long as you have lived in Texas for at least 6 months and you have lived in the county for 90 days. You can also file for divorce in the county your spouse lives in as long as he or she fulfills the same requirement. Section number 3, identification of the children. If there are no children of the marriage, this section will state that there were no children of the marriage. If there are children, this section will list the full names of the child, their sex, birth date, home state, and the last 3 digits of his or her social security number. The 4th section will address child support and child custody. This section will address the following: conservatorship, whether it's joint or sole managing conservatorship, which parent gets to determine the primary residence of the child or children, who will pay child support, who will receive child support payments, how much child support payments will be, who will pay for medical insurance, who will pay for dental insurance, and what's the visitation schedule like. The 5th section is division of property. So this section will dispose of all the property belonging to the couple. It will specifically state what is deemed separate property, that is, property that belongs solely to one spouse, what property will be split, and how the property will be split. The 6th section is reimbursement. Reimbursement is when one spouse seeks to recover money from the other spouse in a divorce. For instance, if spouse number 1 owns a house that is separate property and community funds are used to add a pool to that house, a reimbursement claim would seek to recover the money that was spent on adding the pool to spouse number 1's house. Number 7, spousal maintenance. Spousal maintenance is financial assistance to help the recipient achieve financial independence. Texas is a state that awards spousal maintenance, provided it is not more than the lesser of $5,000 per month or 20% of the paying spouse's average monthly gross income. Section 8, taxes. This section addresses how taxes will be handled for the year of divorce, how tax refunds will be split, and how the exchange of information that's necessary for the respective parties to file their taxes will be handled. Section number 9, name change. If a spouse is seeking to change their name back to their maiden name, it is requested in this section. Section 10, attorney's fees and costs. This section allocates all of the attorney's fees and costs associated with the case. So who will be paying for the attorney's fees and who will be paying for court costs.
Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you live in Texas and would like a free self-help divorce kit, please check the description box below to sign up.